Hello everyone, I'm Angelo and I'm 22 years old, and today I want to talk about ProBytes. I found ProBytes in Ontuago, and the team managed to create for me a module, a plugin for Magento for inventory management, stock management, as well as I planned. The accuracy before starting the job is really fantastic. Waiting times are not too long and devoted much time to the project. You are continually updated and followed, and they were my salvation. Everything that I asked them to design for a change on the site, because I have a commerce that I'm developing with ProBytes, and everything I asked have always done. Advice to all those who want to create something innovative and have ideas but don't have the right people to make it happen: choose ProBytes.